Welcome back to another exciting adventure of Broken in the Woods. Continues. So, I've been working on greasing the front end loader points and fixing the grease nipples because some of them are just trashed. I found can be easier to get to these nipples down here with it open like this. But you can see I've been working at flushing out the old grease and pumping it till the new grease comes in. And that's one nice thing to have, to use different colored greases, is that you can tell when your new stuff is getting in there. A big blob of red down there. But so what I'm going to do now is work on cleaning up these joints. I cycled it a little. I can see this needs to be replaced. Can't have that leaking. But the black grease and dirt and stuff is coming out. The red grease is coming through. Now granted, I want to keep pumping until, now this one is broken. There's a nipple that's supposed to be right there that I've got to drill out and tap so that I can grease that nipple, grease that joint. I'm going to clean these up. Let's go take a look at under here. Nice. And I've basically run out of, I need some more angled nipples, I think, for down here. But this seems to be working. The other thing I noticed about these buckets is that there's nipples right here and here that are really dirty. And I managed to clean them out. Ended up replacing one of these. I guess it was this one, because that one looks nice and new. Ended up replacing a whole bunch of these things. But you can see red grease is coming through. Still a lot of black grease. I think this is supposed to be up here, but I'm not sure because the end of that kind of looks like the end of that. So I don't think it's missing. I think it might be a wipe or something. Up here, once again, the grease is coming through. I might need to replace these nipples again. This is what I want to see, is the red coming through these joints. And down here. And up here, you can see it leaking out here. It's actually coming out here, the old grease. You can see my new grease in there. So, let me work on wiping that up, cleaning that up. Like I said, after I pumped them all up, cycled the loader a little bit, get everything to work in. And now I'm going to work on cleaning this stuff up. So, let's do that, shall we? Okay. So, wiped clean, or clean-ish. You can see, getting the excess grease off. Oh, hello, little sugar. It's looking much better. I'm going to fire it up and operate it. You see the difference? Just a little bit of lube. I don't want to start using it yet until I get the clutch adjusted, which I was going to work on. Okay. All these guys are looking pretty good. I need to get another tube of grease and keep greasing it until stuff comes out clean. So I'm still getting a lot of black grease, a lot of dirt, a little bit of water, And of course I have to fix this one because there's no grease down here right now. So let's go ahead and start it and operate, shall we? See how it goes. Turn that to run. Lights come on. This is supposed to be the glow plug thing, I realized in another video, and I realized that that's broken, which is why it's detached. It's not hooked up. Now, I will jump start this with one hand this time. One goes in here, and the other goes right here. Oops. Almost. It's hard to do with one hand, yo. Okay, come on. You can do it. Up. No. Dump and then up, which is all the way down and to the right. Much smoother than the last time we did this. And with that down, push down some more. And lift the front tires up, almost. Rotate the bucket. Well, it's doing it now. Okay. Well, last time I did that, it lifted the front wheels off the ground. No, it's not doing that. Okay. Now it is. There we go. Front wheels off the ground. That one is. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Curl that back down. Lift that back up. Alright. It's doing the same thing as yesterday. Well, when I first started it this morning, it wasn't doing that. Let's not get too close to the top of the carport. All the way down and to the right, it curls and then goes up. Left is curling up, right is curling down. Left and down as it curls down until it hits the top and then it starts to go up. Right and down is dump and then it goes up, as I said before. Push forward, it goes down. So now what I think we'll do is try to find the tap and die for this grease nipple and see if we can fix that. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Love you later. Bye.